guys, so I have some packages. So, from Amazon. So I'm about to open this up. I already know what this is. And let me show you what I packaged. Let me show you what I purchased. Alright guys, I'll have to share with you guys how well these are going to work. If you like workout or things of that sort. So on the newer AirPods, they're, for me at least, I don't have the ones with the little sprout in there, which is completely fine. But these attach to it, and it's a hook so it doesn't fall out of your ear. And as you can see, the stem that they made, the stem now, excuse me, they're really short. So yeah, I don't really particularly care for that. And the other one, there was like a little plastic little, what is it, the little earbud part? I forgot what it's called right now. Like the little hook that goes in your ear. I didn't like that. So I have these. These are the AirPod Pro. They're just the same with the newest ones, the ones that does not have the little stem. So I was looking, I was like, I'm just gonna trade these in. I'm just gonna get these. So this is an alternative if you're experiencing the same issue as I have. Another package here, guys, that I'm not gonna open it. Well, I'm gonna open it, but I'm not gonna reveal to you all what it is as of yet. So you have to stay tuned for that. So stay tuned. I look like Celia off Color Purple. Not in the face, just in the hair. Don't play with me. Don't. Anyway, I'm not gonna do a full hair review. Full wig review on this next unit, just simply because it's not sponsored. But I am gonna tell you the unit I am gonna be wearing, so that you know where it came from. If once I have it applied, you guys like it. It's not a sponsor. It's not a review. But kinda. It's a review, but not a sponsorship. So, dang, getting all that here. Anywho, this is by B-Show. It's the Human Hair Collection. This is what it came in. This is what it looks like, just in case you all are interested and you like to purchase it. Everybody been raving about these Amazon wigs, so I decided to step out on faith and buy one. So this is what I bought. It came overnight. I ordered it like yesterday. It might have been like before noon. So I got overnighted or whatnot. Y'all, my scalp is kind of irritated around the edges. I'm gonna have to leave the lace alone for a while or whatnot. But I don't want to put no braids in, and I want to be able to just take it on, take it off. So, sister got her a headband wig. So that's what it is. So if you like to see how it looks and all that, just stay tuned and I'll show you. Okay guys, so this is what the box looks like. It says thank you. Yeah, some of y'all need to be happy and keep smiling because y'all be tripping. So any problems, please message us. Again, this is the headband unit. Oh, I like this headband they chose. That's cute. It's a navy color, although it's coming up black. They gave us the wig cap. It's always come with two, so that's good. And it's a headband unit. All that good jazz. So it's all in here. I believe it's, oh, here we go. This is Kinky Curly. That's the texture, and it's 18 inches. It's really too hot outside to be wearing anything more than that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and wash the unit. And you guys, if you haven't seen how I do my little wash unit routine, you can go back to a couple of the vlogs back and you'll see how I wash my units. And when I used to dry them on, I air dry them all, just in case you're interested. And I use really good shampoo. I want it to smell good, and I want the curls to retain themselves. I don't use cheap shampoo. I use really good shampoo. Other than that, I'm going to wash it and bring y'all back up once it's applied so you guys can see the results. And tell me in the comments what you think. What you think. I'm going to have this link below just in case you like it and you want to try it for yourself. But let me give y'all a sneak peek of this bad boy. Yes. Yes. Honey. It's summertime and it's hot as heck in Georgia, and I'm going to be taking a lot of trips, so it's the curliest for me. I don't have time to be getting body waves, so I have to curl it and fool around with it. It's the curly wig for me. Yes, baby.
Yeah, so I have some gel. I am getting ready to install this headband wig. That's what it look like. Ain't nothing special. I washed it. My hair's all braided down. And it's got like a wild funky curl look. So let me put it on and I'll show y'all what it look like. Hair cap on. I'm gonna leave a little bit out so it looks natural. All that good jazz. So that's what we're looking like so far. For those of you that have not seen a headband wig before, this is pretty much what she is looking like. This one is a machine made, so it's not handmade. That's why the stitching just looks so freaking perfect. It has 2 combs in the front of the wig, 1 in the back, and it also has a elastic band with the Velcro, so you can make it fit your own head size like that. And like I said, I wore this yesterday just briefly, but I'm gonna brush it out and kind of wear it wild because this headband wig, I mean, the curls are really tight together, and that's fine, but it's not as full as I like. So look and watch and see what I do with this wig, because it's not super full, but it's full enough. So these type of wigs that are not super full, guys, make sure that you do not wear a ponytail. I know you see all these videos of ponytail. Braid your hair down so you get the flattest application as possible. Here, this is what I mean by the wild look. I'm gonna stick a little bit of mousse, but I still wanted to have it like that fuzzy type feel to it. So my wig gets a little bit thicker, and I'm gonna pull some of these curls. You see how they're together apart once I put the mousse on there. But yeah, guys, basic application. Now it came with extra headband. It came with this headband. I don't really care for it. But if I'm wearing like some jeans and going out, hanging out or anything like that, I'll wear this, but I'm going to work. And I'm not wearing, well, it kind of would match, but no, the flowers are just too busy. I did not use this today. I used the Got to Be Glue just so my edges will stay down. I'm going to put a little bit on top, like right in there. You see the little area where it can be filled in a little bit, and then a little bit up here, so that it looks a little bit even more natural. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll see y'all when I'm on my way to work. That's what she's looking like. Go get you one, sis. Bruh, go get you one. Go get you one.
Okay, guys, so I'm back. This is what I'm having for dinner. This is some meatless tacos. It looks like beef, but that's Beyond Meat, with some peppers and some onions and tomatoes. Tacos with some Mexican homemade rice, Mexican style. Yeah, that's what we're having this evening.
So I am back, and I'm headed to work right now. My hair is still kind of drying or whatnot. So what am I about to say? Whew, today is Saturday, and it's like 8 o'clock, a little bit after 8. It is 82 degrees outside still. So if you come to Georgia, excuse my lips, guys. If you come to Georgia, be prepared. It's hot as heck in the morning, hot as heck in the day, hot as heck in the night. It is hot right now in Georgia. So I'm wishing you all the great blessings and all that good jazz, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn your notification bells on, because we vlogging. We bring you the reviews, we're bringing you the truth, and we're bringing you airline girl lifestyle. So, subscribe.
Y'all, he was challenging me. Look at him. I'm not taking you home, bruh. Okay. I'm about to go around him. He's tripping. I am not your owner. I am...